This hand blender from Braun has a wide variety of functions and possibilities thanks to 14 included accessories. Active blades move up and down to provide a 250% more active cutting surface, so even the hardest root vegetables can be blended to perfection, giving you smooth results no matter what. Splash control technology is designed specifically to keep splashes to a minimum, ensuring that both you and your kitchen stay free from mess. Power Bell Plus delivers more cutting per rotation, blending bulky foods with minimum effort. Enjoy a deliciously smooth consistency with little energy. Whether you're whipping up smoothies in the summer or creating hearty soups in the winter, this hand blender from Braun has you covered with its seamless performance.